Go ahead and play me a song. Want to play a song? Yeah. It's really good, Lucas. Is that one out of tune? You play another song? Good. What do you call it? What are you going to call it? Oh, you're not done. Do you want the other stick? You want to do both? You try both of them? You do a twirl? Oh my goodness. Hit this one. Yeah. I don't think there are any more of them down there. I think it's just all up here. It's experimental. Try this. Is that funny? Now you just want to put them down through here. The magic stick be gone hole. Yeah. It won't go through there. Well, thank you, Lucas. That was lovely.